Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create your own Pinterest account in just a few simple steps. First of all, open your web browser or the Pinterest app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from your App Store or Google Play. Now click on sign up. You see options to sign up your email address or your Google account or your Facebook account. Choose whichever is most convenient for you. Next, what you can do is, if you're signing up with email, just enter your email address and create a password and type in your age, then click to continue. Pinterest will ask a few questions like your gender and language preference. After that, you'll be asked to choose at least 5 topics you're interested in, like fashion, travel, food, or fitness. This helps Pinterest personalize your home feed. And that's it. You have successfully created your Pinterest account. From here, you can start browsing pins, saving ideas, or even creating your own boards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you